Hello and welcome back to Forge Advisors, where your success is our mission. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, creating a vision for your life. This is more than just a catchy phrase. It's about setting your compass towards a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. We're here to provide you with practical tips to help you chart your own unique path. So, are you ready to craft your life vision? Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to understand what a vision is. A vision is essentially your ultimate dream, your big picture, the end goal that gives purpose to your life. It's the guiding star on your journey, the lighthouse in the dark, giving you direction when you're lost. Now you might ask, isn't that just a goal? Well, not exactly. A goal is a specific, measurable achievement you aim for, like climbing Mount Everest. But a vision is broader and more enduring, like wanting to lead a life of adventure. So, why are both important? Think of your vision as the destination, and your goals as the steps you take to get there. Your goals help you make progress towards your vision, while your vision gives meaning to your goals. In essence, a vision is a powerful tool that can give your life direction and purpose. Now that you understand what a vision is, let's move on to how you can create your own. Creating a vision may seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple when you break it down. Start by reflecting on your core values. What principles guide you? Integrity, creativity, philanthropy? These values will be the foundation of your vision. Next, identify your passions. What ignites your spirit and makes you feel alive? This could be anything from writing a novel to starting a nonprofit to climbing the highest peak on each continent. Your passions will add the spark to your vision. Now consider your aspirations. Where do you see yourself in 5, 10, or even 20 years? These aspirations will provide the direction for your vision. Once you have these elements, it's time to weave them together. Imagine a tapestry where each thread represents a different aspect of your vision. The resulting fabric is a reflection of who you are and who you aspire to be. Remember, your vision should inspire you and give you a sense of direction. It's not set in stone, so feel free to adjust it as you grow and evolve. So there you have it, a simple guide to creating a vision for your life. Remember, understanding your vision is about identifying what truly matters to you. It's about painting a clear picture of where you want to be and setting the path to get there. So, start today. Write down your vision, make it clear, make it exciting, let it guide your decisions, your actions, and ultimately your life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep winning.